this Friday morning on your screens, holding up 0.5% higher almost, just 10 points away from that 19,500 mark. This market does not want to rest at all. It just wants to charge up ahead. But having said that, these are just early days yet. Let's see what happens yesterday. Today, towards close, much like yesterday, we could give up these morning gains as well. And remember, yesterday was a bigger crack when it came to the broader end of the market. Both the Nifty small cap as well as the mid cap index, they fell harder, were down about almost 1.6% from the intraday highs. On your screens then, Hindalco, Infosys, Tech Mahindra, Tata Steel, Ultratech Cement, LTI Mindtree, they're all holding up in the green. Wipro has actually had a smart start. That stock is holding up by about almost 1% there. 397 is where Wipro is currently in trade. Just want to check in on all the other movers as well. And let's start off with not just Wipro, but ONGC as well. Given that oil prices now are at 81, this stock should be holding up in the green. Yes, it surely is. Some of the other earnings reactions and some smaller ones at that. Angel One, the gross client addition is higher sequentially by about 2.5%, so look out for that. JBM Auto was already sitting on a gap up in the pre-open rates itself, but after that order of approximately about 5,000 electric buses, JBM is gap up 13.5% as we speak right now. Tata Metaliks, though, a bit of an earnings disappointment there. The EBITDA has seen a decline of about 62.5% on a sequential basis. The revenues as well lower by about 30%. So then, of course, there's RVNL after that letter of award that they got for the NHI project worth about over 800 crore rupees. There's GMI Power, Ahluwalia Constructions, which has also bagged a 200 odd crore rupee order in the state of Odisha. And then Patanjali Foods, let's see what that stock is up to and whether or not, it's seeing any recovery post the move that it had on the stock yesterday after them announcing that they're not looking to exercise the green shoe option of the OFS issue. Naukri, Birlasoft, TCS, Coforge, Infosys, these were your big winners from yesterday. That's where the strength still continues, Anisha.
Well, yes, absolutely. So IT remains a pillar of strength and we're watching out for that as well. But what else is happening in the broader markets? I think we flagged out JPM Auto, which was high by 15%, GMR Power doing quite well. Suntech Realty, that one is perking up 5%. Realty actually has been in a good space of late. So today is the day of Suntech Realty. You also have names like Patel Engineering, high-tech sector from the broader markets which are doing well. Data Patterns continues the up move as well. So overall looks like the market has started off well. Of course, Wipro is holding up with a gain of 1.5%. This is despite the kind of weak numbers, weak guidance that the company reported. So for now, the market is completely ignoring what's happening with respect to the fundamentals of what the companies have reported in Q1. They're talking about Q2 and the way forward and the recovery. The Nifty is back above the mark of 19,500 and the advanced decline ratio very, very solid. So overall, a good trading session, at least at the start, is what we have for us. Let's go across to our charters to get the first trades going. Kunal?
Well, that would be ICICI Bank. So again, a good start for the Bank Nifty. We've bounced off, I think, 200 odd points on the banking index. ICICI Bank is holding steady about the 960 mark. So that's the first trade which I would look out for in the banking sector specifically.
Right. Vaishali, what are the first trades that you're punching?
So Info Edge, yes, it has given a good start. So I would continue to stay bullish for 4,800 levels.
Okay, time now